Dear ladies and gentlemen, this video guide will provide you with instructions to remove laddedmuzics.pro pop-up windows from your browser. Basically, these pop-ups are extremely dangerous because they attempt to hijack your browser with intrusive pop-up windows. The trick is that you are deceived by the message. It says prepare to download. You need to enable browser notifications to start downloading. So it says, actually it has the button enable and download, but after you click on it, you actually click on the allow button. So it is strongly advised that you do not interact with these pop-ups, and if you have clicked on this allow button by mistake, you may notice that you will be also brought to some other dangerous resources. And here is what you need to do manually to fix this issue with your browser. First of all, go to the browser menu, select Settings. Now go to the bottom of the page and choose Advanced. Now Site Settings and go to Notifications. Here you will find this dangerous resource. You need to select this option and select Remove. Another important step is that you scan your Mac with the reliable antivirus, and I recommend you to choose Combo Cleaner for that purpose. combocleaner.com. Use this download Combo Cleaner button. Once you do that, start the program from your launchpad. It's a Combo Cleaner Premium version in my case. However, the program has also got the trial version. It only has the disk cleaner feature that is for free. There are some other handy tools in Combo Cleaner Premium, such as Big Files Finder, Duplicates Finder, but most importantly, it is powered by the antivirus feature. And of course, Privacy Scanner is also a very important component of it. So once you're in the dashboard, click on Start Combo Scan button to initiate the scanning process, and it might be that some threads will be found very soon, or it may take some time. So just wait until the scanning is completed, and you may remove the threads manually or automatically with the help of this software. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.